Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into a fundamental aspect of Java programming, working with XML data. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a versatile format used to store and transport data. Not only is it human-readable, but it also allows for structured data storage and exchange between systems. In this tutorial, we will explore the various ways to read, write, and manipulate XML data in Java. We will start off by setting up our development environment. We will ensure we have all the necessary libraries to work with XML in Java. For this tutorial, we will primarily use the built-in Java libraries. Let's jump into our IDE now. First, make sure your JDK is installed. You can check this by running Java version in your command line. If you don't have it installed, head over to the official Oracle website and download the latest JDK version. Now, let's create a new Java project. Open your IDE and create a project named XML Data Handler. In this project, we'll create a new package named XML Handler. Right-click on the SRC folder, select New - Package, and name it XML Handler. Now, let's create our first class called XML Reader. This class will handle reading XML files. Let's create the file under the XML Handler package. Let's break down the code. We're using the Document Builder Factory and Document Builder classes to parse the XML file. The normalize method ensures that the document structure is clean. We use NodeList to iterate through the employee tags, extracting their attributes and child elements. Next, we need some XML data to work with. Let's create a file named employees.xml in the root directory of our project. Add the following XML content to it. Now, let's test our XML Reader class. In the main method of a new class named main, we can call the readXML method and pass the path of our XML file. Run your main class. You should see the output displaying the root element and the employee details from your XML file. This gives you a great starting point for reading XML data in Java. Next, let's explore how to write XML data using Java. For that, we will create another class named XML Writer. In the XML Writer class, we create a new XML document and define its structure. For each employee, we create an employee element with a unique ID, and we add name and position elements as children. Finally, we use the transformer class to write the document to a specified file path. Let's add some code to our main class to test the XML Writer. Call the writeXML method and provide a path for a new XML file. Run the main class again and check your project folder. You should see a new file named new_employees.xml. Open this file to view the new data we just added. Now that we've covered the basics of reading and writing XML, let's get into some more advanced manipulations. We can enhance our XML Reader class to update existing data in an XML file. We'll call this new method updateXML. In the updateXML method, we locate the employee by their ID and modify their name and position. We then write the updated document back to the original XML file. Now let's test this functionality. Once again, you can call this method from your main class, providing the necessary parameters for the employee you want to update. After running the main class with this update, check your employees.xml file. You should see that the details for the employee with ID 1 have been updated. Isn't that awesome? Now, let's also implement a method to delete an employee record from our XML. We will call this method deleteEmployee. The deleteEmployee method locates the employee by their ID and removes them from the document. Then we write the modified document back to the same file. Let's see how we can test this out in our main method. After executing this code, if you check the employees.xml file again, you will find that the employee with ID 2 has been successfully deleted. To summarize, we covered a lot today. We started with the basics of reading XML files in Java using the DOM parser. Then, we moved on to writing new data to an XML file, updating existing records, and finally deleting records. This gives you a robust toolkit to manipulate XML data programmatically in Java. Before we wrap up, let's recap some key points. Always remember to handle exceptions appropriately when working with file I/O operations. Also, when you deal with XML data, it is crucial to validate your XML against a schema to ensure data integrity. I hope you've enjoyed this detailed step-by-step guide on working with XML and Java. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future videos, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.